Welcome to a world of beauty, tradition, and celebration. Today we talk about Mehndi designs, are beautiful art that bring joy, love, and style to every special moment. Mehndi is more than just a design on the skin. It is emotion, happiness, and culture. For bride, it is a symbol of love, blessing, and new beginnings. For parties and celebration, Mehndi adds charm, beauty, and fun. Let's begin with the bridal mehndi. Bridal mehndi is detail rich and full of meaning. It covers the hand and arms, sometimes up the elbows and also the feet, and soft curves, fine lines, teeny flowers, and traditional patterns make it look royal and graceful. Bridal mehndi design include traditional curves, flowers, and leaves full of beauty and grace, showing love and prayer, symbolize and beauty and joy. Bridegroom features and fingers showing love story. Hidden, each line is drawn with patience and care. Each dot is placed with love. The design looks like a beautiful story written on the skin, and when the mehndi gets dark and deep in color, everyone smiles because it is believed to bring happiness and love to the life. Now let's talk about party mehndi design. Party mehndi design is stylish, easy, and traditional. It is perfect for sisters, cousins, friends, and all ladies who want to look pretty at a function or celebration. Party mehndi design: simple flowers, veins, backhand, bracelet style, fingertips designs, Arabic style long trails, and minimal designs on one side of hand. Mehndi designs are care, small details. These designs are quick, clean, and very elegant. They add beauty with the beautiful heavy. The match perfectly with both traditional and modern outfits like saris and saris, lehengas, shararas, gowns, and kurtas. Where is a wedding, mehndi night, dholki, Eid, or any party, mehndi makes every celebration feels complete. To make the mehndi stain darker, keep the mehndi paste on until it's completely dry. Apply lemon and sugar mixture lightly. Avoid washing hand with the soap right now. Let the henna fall off naturally. A deep color brings joy, and everyone waits to see how dark the satin becomes. Mehndi is not just art, it is a tradition, is love, beauty that comes from culture. When a bride wears mehndi, she shines with happiness. When party gets put mehndi, they feel festive and special. It's a more than design, it's a celebration on skin and smile or the heart. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining us. So may your hands always be decorating with love, happiness, and wonderful memories. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. Remember me in your prayers. Now goodbye.